Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Amazon app in your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, simply open the Play Store and now search for the app. Amazon Shopping, and beside it you can see an install button. Simply click on it. Now it'll take some time. It also depends on your internet connection. As you can see, our Amazon app is installed. Now you can use this app by clicking on the open button, or you can also search in your app vault. And that's it. That's how you can download the Amazon app on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.